Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another Build in Public update, weeks 42, 43. Let's jump right into it. For Swiftbrief, our SEO outline generator, we have started outreach. Mainly Eli is running this for us. And we're continuing to do more changes to V2 or parts of V2. We decided to deploy what was there last week to production, and we're kind of hammering away on the last missing piece. But in the meantime, we're already reaching out. Cold outreach will probably be our primary channel, both on email and LinkedIn. We're currently just testing the messaging. So before we scale or automate anything, we will manually run things for a while, try different messages, different messaging, and then if we automate or when we automate, we will also use a heavily personalized approach. We will also investigate if it makes sense to prepare executable examples. So basically sending people work that we've already done for them in the tool to then onboard them to the tool smoothly, and then basically handing over the reins to them with things that they can immediately put to work. A much better approach than, the kind of, do you have 5 minutes without giving anything in return? So that is going to be a question also on the engineering side, how to get that done, but it should not be super hard. And then obviously we gotta just wait and see what happens on the growth side of things. All right, for Maid of Speeches, which used to be a Maid of Honor speech generator, but is now also a best man speech generator, which I'm gonna talk about in a second. And we're also, so here's the best man speech, which is very similar to a Maid of Honor speech. It's mainly reversing the kind of main person to talk about, which in the best man case will be the groom, and in the Maid of Honor speech will be the bride. So it's just turning around some names and focusing on one versus the other. And it's been somewhat straightforward to extend this. We have picked an approach where for now the customization is not super heavy, and it's more or less the same UI. We've also had a tuxedo company, like a rental company, that is a potential partner for us. Use the tool, try it out, both types of speeches. And we're gonna try to work on a partnership there, but as nothing is set in stone, we still need to wait and see. And what we're also working on is wedding vows, which is a bit different in terms of the prompt that's running in the background. So that needs a bit more tweaking, but at least the UI and the kind of UX that we have existing here can be reused for that as well, so it shouldn't take super long. And we're building out all these out to do more partnership outreach and to obviously unlock completely different demographics. We will gonna run some ads for the best man and wedding vows as soon as we have them, because for Maid of Honor speech generator, so for the Maid of Honor version, we're ranking quite well, like 2.5 on average or something for all of the main terms. So first page, top 3. And we're not really doing that for best man speech as of now. I think it's like page 2. So there we can kind of shortcut and see what the overall potential will be of this kind of customer group or persona. And that's something we're willing to spend some money to find out. And I think that's a great use case for ads for us. And I think that's it for for this week, and feel free to subscribe if any of that stuff sounds interesting to you, and if you want to stay up to date with what we're doing. Yeah, I'll see you next week. Cheers.